Hello, everybody. My name is Emily. I am a registered dietitian nutritionist. I've been a dietitian for about 4 years now. I became one in 2019. So today, I really just wanted to give you guys 5 tips and tricks to succeed as a dietetic intern. Right now, it's May. I know that a lot of people will be starting their internship either this summer or in August this fall. So I just kind of wanted to share some ideas. So let's get into it. Tip number 1, be on time. Just make sure that you are punctual. Make sure that you're giving yourself plenty of time to get to your rotation. I know that a lot of people do their internships away from home, so you might not be familiar with the area. I did mine in Mississippi in Starkville, which I had never explored Starkville before, so I wasn't familiar with the surrounding areas. So I honestly gave myself a lot of time to get to each rotation, especially on that first day of the rotation, because you don't know where you're going. Now, for me, I did have a partner. She was my roommate and she was a dietetic intern. So we went to most of our rotations together, which helped tremendously. We both left early and we rode together. So we were able to kind of help each other figure out where we were going, because some of our rotations, I kid you not, were an hour or an hour and 20 minutes away. So we really had to map out how we were going to get there, because a lot of those back roads in Mississippi, you lose your GPS. Like, you lose all signal, and if you don't know where you're going, you're kind of screwed. So if you are in a rural area, if that sounds like it could be you, just make sure you know where you're going beforehand. Make sure you give yourself plenty of time and be on time. Simple, easy, too easy. Tip number 2. This is probably the most important and most crucial tip that I could give you. If I were to take away the other tips and just give you one, it would be this one. Tip number 2, be engaged. I promise you that being engaged goes a long way. Now that I've been working as a dietitian and I've had to precept interns, I mean, you can tell which dietitian is going to go far and which one is not. Because at the end of the day, even if it's a rotation that you don't want to work in, like you don't want to do school nutrition, or you don't want to do clinical, that doesn't matter, because you might have to do it one day. Maybe that's the only job available. You got to start somewhere. Maybe you change your mind and you do want to work there. Also, the other big thing that people seem to forget is during your internship, that's the perfect opportunity for you to network. You're meeting so many different dietitians. You never know who you're going to run into in the future. And they're going to remember if you were not engaged. They're going to remember if you were not paying attention, if you weren't asking questions, if you seemed like you were apathetic, didn't care at all. They will remember. And even if they're not going to be your boss in the future, they might know your future boss. So, do you want them to put in a good word for you? Probably. Probably. I'm honestly not trying to scare you either. Like I said, I've seen it before. I have had interns who have been so engaged, asking questions, jotting down notes, just really showing curiosity and interest in what I'm doing. Also had interns who did not care. This was obvious. They weren't taking notes. They weren't asking questions. I'd be explaining what I was doing, giving them background information. Nothing. No comments, no questions. You don't have to have questions, but maybe make a comment or just take a note. Show that you are paying attention and that you're interested. Tip number 3. This is the second most important one. Well, I'm not going to say that. They're all important, okay? But tip number 3 is to be flexible, be adaptable. Every single day could be different. You're going to be thrown into things that you're not comfortable with. You might have to talk to a patient and you don't even know anything about their disease state. You're going to have to be flexible. Like, even if you're not flexible, you're going to have to be flexible. I promise. That's how it goes in the internship. they're going to throw assignments at you, different tasks you might have to help out, and just do it. Okay, just do it. Put on a brave face and be flexible. I promise you it will be okay. Remind yourself that this is temporary. You're not going to be an intern forever. You're not going to be working for free, because that's what we're doing as interns forever. One day, you will have a job as a dietitian. You will be getting paid, and you will be precepting interns. And you'll think back to those moments where you wanted to give up, and you'll be very happy that you didn't. And there will be days where you want to give up, which leads into tip number 4: practice self-care. This is so important. When I started my internship, I was so stressed. I had been so stressed leading up to it because I had to move down to Mississippi. I didn't know anybody. I was living with strangers, and I didn't know what to expect. I didn't really know my rotation schedule yet. I didn't know who I was meeting. I never worked in a hospital before. I mean, it's stressful. There's no denying that. And towards the beginning, I was literally like losing some spots of hair in the back because I had been so stressed leading up to it. I want you guys to remember, you gotta take care of yourself. You gotta take care of you. Oops, I keep hitting this mic. I hope it's fine. Even if you have to schedule it, like a 15-minute walk, 5 minutes of meditation, call your best friend, call your mom, call your grandpa. Just make sure you're taking care of yourself and make sure that you are turning towards your support system. They're your support system for a reason. You're going to need them. You're going to need to get enough sleep, exercise, eat healthy, the basics. It's true. Tip number 5: have fun. You chose this career. You chose this profession. You want to be a dietitian. You're excited to be a dietitian. You're excited to go through your internship and meet other people and meet dietitians. So have fun. It's okay. You can laugh with your preceptor. You can joke around with patients. Yes, it is serious. Yes, this is going to be a lot of work. It's going to be hard, but you can make it fun. Some of my favorite memories come from my internship with my other interns who were my roommates. Like, we had so much fun together with some of the preceptors who I had a lot of fun with the patients. You're going to have stories that you will tell your children and your grandchildren. I promise you, you will have lots of stories. So just make it fun. Alrighty, well, that wraps up my 5 tips for succeeding in your dietetic internship. If you have any questions at all, any concerns, just drop it below in the comments. I'm happy to help out. You know, I was in your position once. It is scary, but I know you're going to be fine. If you want me to make any other videos on the internship process, being a dietitian in general, different areas to work in as a dietitian, let me know. All right, bye.